Hey there, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Have you been staying home for quite some time? Many of you may have tried lots of things at home during the coronavirus pandemic. You're probably thinking, oh, this must be another video about what to do at home. Wait a minute, that's not true. Today I'm going to share with you 10 Chinese words for things to do at home. What's the difference? Well, the difference is you get to learn some Chinese, and every time you do any of the things we mentioned today, you may ask yourself, what's the Chinese word for what I'm doing now? Okay, let's get started.
一、学习。
我早上在家运动。
我早上在家运动。
You study in the room at noon. 你中午在房间学习。
你中午在房间学习。
二、唱歌。
一二三四五，一二三四五，一二三四五，一二三四五。
三、跳舞。四、剪头发。
No, I'm not gonna do this.
五、打扫。六、阅读。七、健身。八、写作。
今天是我在家的第一。
九、烹饪。
烹饪 is a formal word for cooking. If you simply refer to preparing for a meal, you may use 做饭. But if someone is cooking seriously, or if you're referring to culinary arts, like a cook working his or her magic, you use 烹饪. For example, the Chinese word for a cooking class is 烹饪课. So now I'm serious about it. 首先呢，我们要洗手。准备吐司、生菜、煎一个鸡蛋，然后把它放在一起。这就是鸡蛋三明治。
十、看视频。
要不要喝饮料？
可是我已经买了。
要不要吃晚餐？
可是我要加班。
那我们可以叫外卖。
可是我已经叫了。
Now let's review the words we learned today.
学习。
To learn or to study.
我在家学习中文。
I study Chinese at home.
唱歌 singing or to sing 心情不好就唱歌 Sing when you are in a bad mood 跳舞 Dancing or to dance 我可以和你跳舞吗 Can I dance with you? 剪头发 To get a haircut 头发 Hair 你的头发太长了 Your hair is too long 要不要剪头发 Do you want to get a haircut? 打扫 Cleaning or to clean 我妈妈很爱打扫 My mother loves cleaning 阅读 Reading or to read 她喜欢在睡觉前阅读 He likes to read before going to bed 健身 Workout or fitness 越来越多人开始运动健身 More and more people are starting to exercise to stay fit 写作 Writing or to write 阅读可以帮助写作Reading can help writing. 烹饪 Cooking or culinary arts. 因为对烹饪感兴趣，他决定去上课。Because she was interested in cooking, she decided to sign up for a class. 视频 Video 我每周看视频学习中文 I watch videos every week to learn Chinese.
What do you do at home? Please share with us in the comments. That's all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give us a like if you did. Subscribe our channel and turn on the notification. I'm Rena from Mandarin Math. 下次见。